Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. And now I'm gonna talk about something. My video is practice for my speaking level A1. And the topic is what is the maths and how the way the maths is easy for you. Okay, maths, the many people to think about the maths is difficult, and the subject if we going to learn is complicated. So the other people face of the lesson of maths it's easy. Why they thinks maths is easy? Okay, I want to explain for you why is maths is easy. I think there are people thinks about maths is easy because they always try for every time they always try for to make their brain and to count of the numbers every day start from level 0, and they always try the count of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 until 10. Same like me, I always try to learn about the maths. I try start from how to the memorize of the times, yeah, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 1 times 1 is 1, and so that is the make of we to try about how to think about the maths is easy for me. And teacher also, yeah, they always try to give the lesson of maths and how the way of the simple, and what is the way of practice simple if we learn the maths is easy. So teacher have many of the way to make and to search of the solution about to finish of the task of complicated, and then they always to teach for the student in the class. Yeah, always they have they have they have responsible to make a students understand of the maths in the class. And I have experience when I was in the senior high school. I have a teacher is really smart. If he going into the class, I feel happy. I think he start to teach the maths. I directly seriously to listen of the maths. So in the senior high school, my teacher always give the tasks and exercise for to finish in our dorm. When I go back in my home, I feel it's difficult and it's not easy if I finish the homework, if I finish by myself. I think so. I cannot to finish the exercise because I cannot ask someone and I don't have friend to help me for to finish the exercise. But I always to write the exercise, but I think the exercise is not correctly when I going to the school in the morning. The lessons first it's maths. My teacher maths asked me forward in front of the class. So I feel confused because I didn't know about the maths. I didn't know about how to finish the exercise number 1, number 2, and number 3. So my teacher asked me, okay, it's not problem. That is the process for you, and I hope you have to focus if I explain about the math on the in the whiteboard. And I directly go back in my chair, and after that my teacher explained about the exercise. So my teacher finished about the exercise, and I write in on my notebook, and then I give a question for my teacher. I don't understand about the number 1. I don't understand about the maths is it is the 0.5 divide 0.100. I think that is difficult for me of the maths. Okay, that's all my experience. So I have struggled when I learn about the maths. I think that is the process for me, and I always to try learn every day. I always learn about the maths, and so I hope in the future if I try every day learn about the maths, I think I will easy to finish the maths, so I try to finish the exercise in the task. Okay, thank you. I hope you will also to learn about the maths.